Choosing viral niches, YouTube automation tutorial part 1. You must choose the niche you wish to target before creating a YouTube channel. It's imperative to make a firm decision about your channel's goal from the beginning if you want your YouTube journey to be successful. This video will show you everything you need to know while selecting the YouTube niche, and if you enjoy such content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell icon to never miss another upload of ours. Here we begin. What is the significance of selecting a niche? The basis of a YouTube business is the niche you'll be focusing on. You must first understand who your audience is in order to provide them with the appropriate video material. It is not sufficient to post arbitrary videos and hope for the best. Every video needs a goal and an intention. How to choose your YouTube channel's ideal specialty. Because they want to concentrate on something they already do, a lot of people who decide to launch a YouTube channel already know what their niche will be. For instance, if you're an artist, you already know your channel wants to focus on art. If you are proficient in Photoshop, you probably wish to instruct others in the program. But you may want to establish a YouTube channel because you like creating videos and want to experience what it's like to be a YouTuber. Alternatively, you desire to profit from YouTube. Here are some factors to follow while choosing a YouTube niche. Firstly, prefer a niche within a niche. The more specific your content is on YouTube, the better. Assume you want to start a comedy channel. That's a difficult task because while everyone enjoys laughing, different things amuse different people. So telling jokes or creating skits that appeal to a broad audience isn't enough. Instead, you must target your ideal audience by narrowing it down to specific moments that may be amusing. Being the new employee, leash training a hyper dog, working in customer service, and so on. Follow your passion for choosing the niche. Is your niche motivating you to get up, film videos, and actually enjoy the process? It takes time to build a YouTube channel, so you must be passionate about it. Make certain that you're on YouTube for the right reasons, which should include a mix of passion, community building, and yes, financial freedom. Check the competition for the niche. Choosing a niche is more difficult than picking up a weekend hobby. What if millions of other creators receive billions of views on the same subject? You'll be starting from scratch, making it difficult to stand out on YouTube. You must now make a difficult decision. Do you fight through the crowd or opt for a less competitive niche? We're not saying the first option is out of the question. However, taking the road less traveled makes it easier to grow on YouTube. A small creator should never try to compete, at least not directly, with a 1 million subscriber influencer. Making videos on topics that your competitors do not cover is a much better option. What is the takeaway? Take your unique ideas seriously before someone else does. The best YouTube channel niche is one that no one is watching, but you know viewers want to see. What YouTube niche is the most lucrative? This video is for you if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel and want to know how much money YouTube will give you for 1 million views. Ad revenue is the foundation of profitability. First off, there are various ways to monetize your YouTube channel, but for the purposes of this piece, we have to rely mostly on Google AdSense revenue. If you're unaware of Google AdSense, it's an ad network that pays YouTubers based on how often an advertisement is displayed, not how many subscribers or likes or shares a video receives. In other words, the YouTubers only receive money from paid commercials. Here are some profitable niches that will boost your channel. Life hacks. We can watch these films for hours without growing tired. They are some of my favorites. The good news is that we will likely benefit from what we learn in the next few days or weeks. You'll note that these videos aren't overly long. You should certainly quickly compile a list of the 101 finest life hacks, but it would be tedious to watch and difficult to remember. Instead, the videos are divided into shorter segments of 3 to 4 minutes and 5 to 10 life hacks. Less talking and greater demonstration are also present. Start a life hack channel if you're clever and have some tricks up your sleeve. For example, you can discuss shopping, money saving strategies, daily life tricks, etc. Instructional videos. Let's face it, watching a 3-minute how-to video instruction is simpler than reading a 50-page user manual on any given topic. Now that you know, start watching user manual videos on YouTube. I'm joking. However, we're confident that there are a lot of inventive ways to disseminate valuable information in the form of films. One major benefit of how-to videos is that you can make them on YouTube without using your voice or displaying your face. Unboxing. People enjoy watching unboxing channels, which are among the most popular YouTube videos. Seeing someone open a product and describe what's inside is enjoyable. The same content is being broadcast on thousands of channels, and they all gain viewers and subscribers. Therefore, this area will be lucrative if you're adept at discussing features and have some video production experience. You don't have to limit yourself to electronics or smartphones. A few channels also unbox toys, food packages, and shoes. Drawing and sketching tutorials. Why not share your love of drawing and sketching with others by teaching them as well? You can launch a YouTube channel and direct your instructions to young children, adolescents, or adults. For many people, including me, drawing a rose is still difficult. Thus, a video showing the steps will be helpful. Then you can gradually raise your skill level and start teaching intricate artwork. In the process, you can not only make money, but also get notoriety, influence, and the status of a beloved celebrity. Health and fitness tips. Where do you turn first for advice on good health or exercise regimens? Either YouTube or Google. But rather than reading written directions, it is preferable to see someone execute the exercises and routines you need. Fitness and health-related channels are very popular, and if you can tell a compelling story that ties viewers together, you can succeed. If you're talented at animation but too shy to perform in front of the camera, you can make an animated character that does the actions instead. Car and bike news plus reviews. You don't need an introduction to people's passion for automobiles. People wait for years to purchase a new vehicle or bike and conduct a thorough study before making the purchase, going bonkers simply to gaze at their favorite car. This is when you step in and assist them in making a knowledgeable choice by outlining all the benefits and drawbacks of a certain car. To purchase a review unit or rent a car for a review, you will need to make an investment. But if your channel becomes successful, it will be worthwhile. Videos for entertainment. YouTube is a source of enjoyment for 82% of users. On YouTube, we adore reality show-like videos because it feels authentic. Additionally, it brings us closer to the subject who is being filmed. Therefore, one of the most lucrative markets for vlogs is entertainment. This type of content has produced online stars with millions of followers when used in conjunction with other social media platforms. There are a lot of niches and sub-niches to pick from, whether you want to make a comedy video, a storytime video, or a family vlog. A dream that practically everyone has is to travel the world. And what's better than making money while you're on the road and having your videos pay for everything else? So for people who want to explore the world, document their experiences, make priceless memories, and earn money in the process, starting a traveling YouTube channel is a terrific idea. Beauty and fashion vlogs continue to be the most well-liked YouTube genres. There is still enough room for you to specialize in the beauty industry if you feel you have the drive to create original material in this regard. Instead of approaching the topic broadly, you may, for instance, start with a hot topic and expand from there. Use your distinctive personality and qualities to give your beauty style vlogs a personal touch. When your friends need their makeup done for special events, are you the go-to person in your group? Or do you simply enjoy using different cosmetics to enhance your appearance? If so, you should launch a YouTube channel where you discuss makeup tricks, reviews of beauty products, and other related topics. What do you think about these niches? Let us know in the comments below.